Right. Right. Yeah. Every little nigga think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. All these OGs think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. Right. All these little niggas think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. All these OG niggas think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. Right. Right, we back outside, I'm still metal, they still decent, they still hiding, I still peep shit, they organizing, they recruiting, we still bruising, we still bought that East energy, this shit stupid, it's still homies, made the blueprint, they used it, killer instinct, didn't make the rain man, they fueled it, I hit up S-Dot, pick a sniper, and wield it, I'm on low and pick a scripter, and I start to peer shit, it gets ugly, tread lightly, I make it past the comfy, all these niggas claiming they're wild, might just feel like Bobby, I'm too solid, I'm in the pocket, I'm brody, the book Stanley, ski mask shit, somebody style, cut all that bullshit, got the type of book, that type exposed shit, I'm like a road shit, man-made type explosive, I get it lit up, that switching side, get the niggas hit up, I'm from the east, where none of you niggas wanna fucking with us. Right. Right. Yeah. Every little nigga think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. All these OGs think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. Right. All these little niggas think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. All these OG niggas think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. Right. 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 Yeah. Every little nigga think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. All these OGs think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. Right. All these little niggas think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. All these OG niggas think they broke ain't up, dragging through the mud. Right. Right. We back outside, I'm still metal, they still decent, they still hiding, I still peep shit, they organizing, they recruiting, we still bruising, we still bought that East energy, this shit stupid, it's still homies, made the blueprint, they used it, killer instinct, didn't make the rain man, they fueled it, I hit up S-Dot, pick a sniper, and wield it, I'm on low and pick a scripter, and I start to peer shit, it gets ugly, tread lightly, I make it past the comfy, all these niggas claiming they're wild, might just feel like Bobby, I'm too solid, I'm in the pocket, I'm I'm Riley, the book Stanley, ski mask shit, somebody style. Cut all that bullshit, got the type of book, that type exposed shit. I'm on the road shit, man-made type explosive. I get it lit up, that switching sides with the niggas hit up. I'm from the east, well none of you niggas wanna fucking with us. Right. Drop some bombs and take a right. Drop some bombs and take a yeah. Drop some bombs. Every little nigga think they broke, I end up dragging through the mud. All these OG.
Так, окей, що там? Деня, як в тебе все проходить, як леб? Знайшов якісь нові рішення?
По чуть-чуть. Я пробую оцю штуку, яку ти на онлайн-тренуванні показував, інтегрувати в танець, ну і комбо якось. От що, як ти казав, що краще виходить, то якось пробую комбо зробити з цього.
Угу. Ну покажи, про що ти саме говориш.
Ну, немає, типа, чогось ще конкретного, що комбо, типа, не дороблене, ну просто те, що пробую там на баунс це все робити, типу, зі спідконтролами, типу, розуміти там.
Окей, да. От зараз, коли ти, дивись, коли ти робив баунс, у тебе знову рука стала сюди, поняв? Типу, дуже розслаб. Коли ти баунс робиш, баунс через дрейгін роби. І тоді ти будеш більш енергетично заряджений. Все інше зараз ти переставляв форми, воно типу, все технічно добре. Вот, тому от така тема. Хорошо, да, комбо взагалі не зациклюйся. Комбо це, знаєш, як, ну, якщо йде, то йде, якщо ні, то...
Ну, да. От я ж про це й говорю, що ну от зараз якось пішло, по чуть-чуть.
Угу. Супер, окей. Окей, тоді будемо продовжувати. В тебе що, є якісь загвоздки?
Ні, просто форму затренувався.
Хорошо. Бенк. Ваншоти. Це типа ваншоти такі коротенькі, типа комбінації. То їх тренуйте, тому що потім в фрістайлі воно просто буде автоматично вилізати. Вот, тому типа все, просто тренуємо далі тоді. Окей, все, поїхали. Let's go.
We keep it round and dirty shit. Get off too fast, can blow shit. In the hurry shit. Respect the shooter. Steph Curry, respect the shooter. I got a spaz on these niggas in this, yeah. If I ain't got the Washington, what about this here? I keep the toast, no glasses and split bears. Hunting T-slays, I've been looking for this deer. Into the Yitty 100, like 50-50, been sickly since cage 3 when they tried to slip me to make it fucked it. I'm roast beef and they feeding, we leave them leaning, you see them bleeding in XYZ, we some fucking heathens. Goddamn, I'm cannon, we ran it with no relay, and I punch Trump off jab footy with no replay. And why? Put the bit on this fitted with no eBay. Ghost in, or at least the Davis on niggas with no D-Ray. These ain't no littles, it's niggas that keep it rowdy, get in, trip on and rip on them, throw it in and I'm out. X. Now you niggas gotta get on something. You wanna bang with us? Gotta get on something. We crazy, right? Everything name for shit. As long as I'm catching bodies off. Everything brain for shit live. X to the Z, I'll delete them. I'm Tab and Liam. Probably stay at a slim when I'm filming a movie scene of mine. The Chevy turning, he earned it. Doctors and surgeons, that rubber burning. It works since we served him. He's out of service. Shit. Don't get it twisted or bent out of shape, doggy. Or we'll have to see all you niggas like a fucking day party. Shit rowdy. Rowdy nigga. Shit rowdy. Hope these niggas ain't rowdy. Rowdy nigga. Shit rowdy. Fuck these niggas ain't rowdy. Rowdy nigga. Shit rowdy. Fuck these niggas that shit rowdy. Rowdy nigga, shit rowdy. Come on, don't get it fucked up. You know a nigga out shit. That hype shit is home. I put my bed and my couch, keep it live. Truth talk, got issues, and I'll be hawking. What else? Cause I've been a savage since we was fucking sea walking. M on my hand. right. You dogs never fuck with my hams, cause your pups is neutered. I'm gone. I just went ape shit on his ass. In my combo, left his damn face print on the glass. Shit rowdy. Rowdy nigga, shit rowdy. Hope these niggas ain't rowdy. Rowdy nigga, shit rowdy. Fuck these niggas ain't rowdy. Rowdy nigga, shit rowdy. Fuck these niggas ain't rowdy. Rowdy nigga, shit rowdy. Rowdy nigga. Fuck these niggas ain't rowdy nigga. Fuck these niggas ain't rowdy.